Right, I want to see what else is in the box because, like I said to you guys, oh my god, we got the whole package, man. We got the whole package. Oh my god. What's going on, my tech friends? This is the One Tech World. So today for you guys, I have the unboxing of the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G. I told you guys I was going to be getting this device and I was going to be unboxing it. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm so gassed right now. There will be a giveaway at the end of the video, so if you want to win it, stay tuned. But yeah guys, before I start the video, I just want to say subscribe, like the video for more unboxings like this and more giveaway. So yeah, I'm so excited. I can't even speak. I'm pumped. I'm gassed. You guys might be thinking exactly the same thing I'm thinking. This box is absolutely humongous. It's huge. It's thick. It's big. Honestly, I feel like it's not just the phone that's going to be in here. I feel like there's going to be more things in here because this box is just way too big. Look at the thickness of this boy. Look at this. The reason why I think this box is humongous is purely because it's the pine green. Obviously, this is the pine green version I've bought, and yeah, the pine green actually comes it's more of a better spec than the black and obviously the silver one. The pine green one starts with 256 gig storage, and instead of having an 8 gig of RAM like the other two, it actually has a whopping 12 or 16 gig, no, 12 gig of RAM, which is just absolutely mind-blowing and awesome. But yeah, let's crack into this box. I'm so excited. And let's see what's in the box. So I've got my big ass knife, and yeah, let's just crack these boxes open. Woo! Wow. Amazing. Actually, I think I'm the only one that's unboxing the green one on YouTube, bro. I ain't even trying to flex, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna be very surprised because I don't think it's just the device that's in here. I think there's more. Ooh! Oh my god! Wow! Just first impression, just seeing the phone from this angle, from up here. Look at it. That is a fresh device. Oh my. No, I'm just gonna put that to the side because I don't want to get gassed way too much. Anyway, let's see what's in here. So obviously they're going with a classic Samsung design, having the paperwork kind of left inside of the box, which is nice. And then in here, what do we have? We have like a little note. We have a welcome note from the company OnePlus. Got like this little note. Oh, okay. Oh wow. So you got a little note. First of all, we've got a little note, and you got your SIM injector that too right there, which is just absolutely awesome. And then we've got your quick start guide. Obviously, we don't really need this because we're a tech guru, and yeah. You get the gist. Quick start guide. We got a safety information, like we're ever gonna read that. And then here we have highest SAR value. I don't even know what that is, but that's what you get in the box. You get all that, and obviously that little welcome pack there to kind of welcome you into the future of OnePlus. But yeah, that's what's there. And then, woohoo! I love this. Wow, look at that. Never settle. Never settle. Keep pushing. Let's get the phone out. Wow. Oh my god. Woohoo! Reminds me of the Samsung Galaxy S8 with its corners. How nicely rounded off it is. And looking at the Galaxy S20 Ultra, it's just a bit 21 Ultra. I mean, it's just a bit the curve and the edge is just too aggressive. I just like the nice subtle curve in this. Oh wow, that is awesome. Just quickly, I've just noticed right out the back, the phone feels quite longer. Inside, it feels quite longer. I mean, it's the same size as the S8. I mean the S21 Ultra, but I think what puts it apart is it's more thinner. It's not a wide device, you know. It's quite shrink down, if you know where I mean. So which kind of makes it look and feel more like a longer device. This is just wow. I can't wait to get into this. It's just an absolute beast. Right, I want to see what else is in the box because, like I said to you guys, oh my God, we got the whole package, man. We got the whole package. Oh my God. Wow, I guess this is what you get when you buy the pine green version. You get a very, very luxury kind of experience and unboxing experience. Very, very luxurious. So basically, first of all, we have a case. We have a case from OnePlus. Wow. I mean, they normally add cases in the devices, but the quality of this case is just absolutely insane. It's got this nice matte rubber finish to it at the back, and with the logo, and with a logo there saying "Never Settle," and it's in the same color as the device as well. That kind of nice green color to it. But yeah, that is a nice case. That is a really nice case from OnePlus. Very, very amazing. Like I said, it's got that rubber texture on the back, so it's not a fingerprint magnet at all, so you don't have to worry about that. And then on the inside, it's got like this nice, obviously, rubber texture as well, but if you feel it, it's got like little bumps and stuff, so it kind of grips the phone when you obviously have it on. And it's nice, you can see that it's glossy at the back, and the effect, I don't know if you guys can see the effects that's in there, but that's an absolutely premium case. That's awesome. And then in here we have the charging brick. Ooh, oh my God. And this is Rapid Charge 65. Wow, it's quite hefty to be honest with you. There's a power supply unit. That is a nice power supply unit. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, finished in white, just absolutely awesome. And then we have the cable. Wow, again, OnePlus has an amazing unboxing experience. It's just absolutely awesome. They've got this nice red cable. I mean, who else gives you a choice of different kind of color of charging cable? They put the thought into the device and even brings it all the way down to the accessories on the phone, which is this cable. It just looks absolutely awesome, and the way it's tidily wrapped around and then hooked on by these white things is just absolutely awesome. You got the red contrast in there, and then the white contrast on the obviously the side that you actually plug into the phone and the charging brick to charge up. It's just an absolutely amazing experience. I love it. It looks absolutely awesome. It's just amazing. Like, the whole unboxing experience is just insane. It's just absolutely beautiful. And again, once you take the cover off, you have the logo there as well for Hasselblad, and the OnePlus logo on this side as well. Absolutely awesome. Right, let's peel this off. Let's have a little look and see what's going on. Ooh, oh my God, the color is just absolutely impeccable. Wow. Ooh-wee. Oh my God, look at the color. Look at that. Obviously, it's a matte finish. Nice matte green finish. It's just absolutely awesome. Pictures do not do phones justice at all. Pictures do not do phones justice. You have to have it in real life for you to see how beautiful the color and the way it just reflects off the light is just absolutely awesome. Look at that. That's amazing. Matte black, obviously not a fingerprint magnet, which is absolutely awesome. I think what OnePlus has done here is went all out to make the best device they can possibly ever make, and make sure that it meets everyone's criteria and meets everyone, you know, needs. And they've done an absolutely fantastic job with this device. It's amazing. Look at the body to screen ratio. Like, wow. And I've just noticed up there as well, you can see two SIM card kind of logo there, which means this actually can take two SIM cards. It's just absolutely awesome. Obviously, you got that camera as well, the selfie camera at the top of the device as well, which is very, very nice. Very, very nice. Very, very, very beautiful. And then on the side of the device, we have one piece volume up and down key over there, which just looks absolutely insane. And then on the other side, we got the lock button, which is just absolutely amazing. Have a look at that. lock button and this textured button at the top, which I believe is to put the phone to silent. Yep. So you put so there's actually 3 modes here. So you put the phone to ring, so it's nice and loud, and then you flick it to the middle, and that puts it to vibration mode, and all the way to the top is silent mode. Then for the bottom, wow, I am in love with the speaker grills. Absolutely insane. Look at the 2-piece thing, what you call it? Speaker grills. You got your charging port and you got your mic at the bottom. No, your mic and your SIM injector at the bottom there, so you can swap out your SIMs, and obviously add 2 SIM cards in there as well. And then up top we have another mic, which is just absolutely awesome. Woo! Oh my god, I am so excited with this phone. I'm in a little bit of a predicament. Let me peel this off for you. Woo! Wow, that is just absolutely awesome. I already love it. I love it. Reminds me of the S8 Plus, because S8 was an absolutely beautiful series and absolutely beautiful phone from Samsung. It was absolutely awesome. All the Galaxy phones, I think the S8 must be my most favorite, as in the aspect of the design. And this, I feel like I want to keep this because this just brings back the whole memory from the S8 Plus, and it just looks absolutely incredible. The back of it, wow. The back, obviously you got the camera layout there, which looks absolutely awesome. They got 4 cameras, so I believe one is the ultra wide angle lens, and then you got the macro, the telephoto, and obviously the just the normal lens. And this is packing a 64 megapixel lens in there as well, which is absolutely awesome. Whew! I really want to try out the camera in this video, but then I really don't, because I want to make that a completely different video, because boy oh boy, I want to see how good this camera is. Anyway, I brought the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra as well, so we can compare it. And I mean, I'm a Samsung fan, I'm a Samsung freak, but when I see a good device, like, I have to say it's a good device. At the moment, the OnePlus 6 Pro is kind of winning it right now. It's awesome. The problem with this phone, the Galaxy S21 Ultra, is nice, but it just feels a little bit too thick. But then this, the OnePlus 6 Pro, is just in that perfect kind of feel for the hand. It's nice and narrow, which makes the phone feel a little bit taller, longer. It's just awesome. Like I said, the S8 was such a beautiful design device, and this reminds me of it. Perfect in the hands. It's not like you're trying to struggle for grip because of how wide it is. Look at it. Look at both of the phone. You can see the difference. It's just absolutely awesome. Well, yeah, camera test, also giveaway as well. If you guys want to win this device, and it's gonna pain me to get rid of it because I absolutely love it, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification, share the video as well, because I do know when the video has been shared. Share it, and I want to get this video to 2,000 views. The last video I did with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, when I unboxed it, I got 1,000 views. You know what, let's push it up a limit, 2,000 views, and I'll give this bad boy away. Anyway guys, hope you've enjoyed the video. I'm so excited. My face is just with a grin. I can't get this grin off my face. Well, yeah guys, wow, you know what, before we go, let's try it with the case. Woo-wee! Oh my god, this could be my daily driver. This looks so sick, bruv. Oh my god. Woo-wee! So sleek. It is so sleek. Oh my god. Oh mate, you don't understand, I am so gassed. I am so gassed. Wow. It literally reminds me of the S8 Plus, and I love that phone so much. Oh my god. Oh mate, I don't even know. This is just absolutely insanity. Wow. Like, look at that green from the camera and the case. It just looks so freaking good. Oh my god. You know what guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Please guys, if you want to see more videos like this, please smash that subscribe button. Also like the video, comment down below, tell me if you like the device, the color, it's just absolutely awesome. It's been absolutely unreal, guys. I love I feel like I want to start crying. Wow. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.